Texas, a rising economic powerhouse. Texas, the second largest state in the U.S., is home to over 30 million people and boasts the highest number of Fortune 500 companies in the country. With an annual economic output of nearly $2.5 trillion, Texas is not only a major player in the U.S. economy but also ranks above several countries worldwide. In the next few minutes, we will explore what sets Texas apart, its strategic economic plan, and the challenges it faces. By the end, we will update Texas's position on the leaderboard. The early years and comparative advantage. Texas's economic journey began before it officially became a state. The promise of opportunity and cheap land attracted early settlers, and the state's access to public lands played a crucial role in its economic growth. Industries such as cattle and cotton emerged, supported by the invention of the cotton gin and the acquisition of labor through slavery. However, relying heavily on cotton created challenges for the state's long-term industrialization. Transitioning to diverse industries. Texas successfully transitioned its economy from a reliance on cotton and cattle to other industry clusters such as energy, advanced manufacturing, and technology. This ability to diversify its industries sets Texas apart from many resource-rich economies that struggle to make the switch. The state's early investment in higher education and public-private partnerships paved the way for its dominance in advanced manufacturing and technology. Business-friendly practices and corporate headquarters. Texas's business-friendly practices, including no corporate taxes and no personal state income taxes, have attracted numerous companies to establish their headquarters in the state. Currently, Texas has more Fortune 500 companies than any other state in the U.S. Its central time zone, access to transportation infrastructure, and tax-friendly climate make it an attractive destination for businesses, leading to job creation and population growth. Energy sector and technological advancements. While Texas is known for its crude industries, it has also emerged as a top producer of wind power in the U.S. The state's energy sector plays a significant role in its economy, but it also faces challenges such as extreme weather events that test its grid system. Additionally, Texas has been a pioneer in critical tech inventions, attracting increased investment and positioning itself as a dominant player in the semiconductor production race. International trade and proximity to Mexico. Texas's proximity to Mexico presents both advantages and challenges. The state's numerous ports of entry make it a top trade destination, with the Port of Laredo being the busiest trade port in the U.S. As American companies shift their manufacturing to Mexico, Texas is well positioned to continue growing as a dominant player in international trade. However, ongoing tensions at the U.S.-Mexico border complicate supply chains and pose challenges to trade flows. Challenges and future outlook. Texas faces challenges such as a tight labor market, a growing demand for natural resources, and potential water shortages. The state's rapid population growth and scaling economy require careful management and protection of its critical resources. Additionally, economic and political tensions at the border pose challenges to trade and supply chains. However, Texas's consistent and sustained net migration, employment growth, and investment in infrastructure position it for continued economic success. Conclusion. Texas's economic dominance is not guaranteed, but its strategic economic plan, diverse industry clusters, business-friendly practices, and investment in infrastructure have contributed to its growth and success. While challenges exist, Texas's position as a major player in the U.S. and global economy is undeniable. With its population and economy continuing to expand, Texas has the potential to surpass California and become an even bigger economic powerhouse in the future.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.